Life in Kenyan estates has changed a lot over the past few years. Estates are no longer just places where people go to sleep after work. They have become busy centers of daily life where people shop, eat, relax, and even work. In 2026, many people prefer to get what they need within their neighborhood instead of traveling long distances to town. This has created many business opportunities for anyone who is willing to start small and grow steadily. In most estates, people wake up early in the morning and begin their daily routines. Parents prepare children for school, workers rush to catch transport, and others stay behind to run errands or work from home. This daily activity creates a constant demand for goods and services. A smart entrepreneur can take advantage of this by offering something useful, affordable, and convenient. One of the most common and successful businesses in estates is the small grocery shop. These shops sell everyday items such as milk, bread, sugar, cooking oil, and vegetables. Many people do not want to walk far or go to large supermarkets for small items. They prefer a nearby shop where they can quickly buy what they need. Starting a grocery shop does not require a lot of money. With about 20,000 Kenya shillings, one can begin with basic stock and expand over time. The key to success is consistency, good customer service, and keeping essential items always available. Milk alone is a strong product in estates. Many families buy milk every day. If a trader buys milk at about 130 Kenya shillings per litre and sells it at around 150 Kenya shillings, they can make a steady daily profit. When combined with other products, the income becomes even more reliable. Food businesses are also very popular in estates. Many people are too busy to cook all their meals. Others simply enjoy buying snacks and ready-made food. A small food kiosk selling chips, sausages, mandazi, chapati, or tea can do very well. With as little as 5,000 Kenya shillings, someone can start a simple setup. The most important things in this business are cleanliness, taste, and location. A kiosk near a busy road, a school, or a gate can attract many customers throughout the day. Another business that works well is a salon or barber shop. Grooming is part of everyday life. People want to look neat for work, school, and social activities. A barber who charges about 100 to 300 Kenya shillings per haircut can serve many clients in a day. Over time, loyal customers will keep coming back. Adding services such as hairstyling, braiding, or beauty treatments can increase income. Starting a small salon may require about 30,000 to 100,000 Kenya shillings, depending on equipment and space. In 2026, delivery and errand services have become very important. Many people now order items from their phones and expect them to be delivered quickly. Someone with a bicycle or motorbike can start a delivery business within the estate. They can help residents pick groceries, deliver gas cylinders, or carry parcels. Charging between 50 and 200 Kenya shillings per delivery can bring in a good daily income. This business grows faster when combined with communication tools like mobile messaging apps. Airtime and data selling is another simple but effective business. Almost everyone uses a mobile phone. Selling airtime, mobile data, and offering mobile money services can attract many customers. Although the profit per transaction may seem small, the volume of customers makes it worthwhile. With just 1,000 to 5,000 Kenya shillings, someone can start this business and grow it gradually. Clothing is also a strong market in estates. Selling second-hand clothes, commonly known as mitumba, is a popular business. Traders buy clothes in bulk at low prices and sell them at a profit. A shirt bought at 50 Kenya shillings can be sold at 150 or even 200 Kenya shillings. Success in this business depends on choosing good quality items and understanding customer preferences. For example, some estates have high demand for children's clothes, while others prefer office wear. Fresh produce is another reliable business. Vegetables such as sukuma wiki, spinach, tomatoes, onions, and fruits are bought daily. A trader can wake up early, buy produce from a wholesale market, and sell it within the estate. Starting with about 3,000 Kenya shillings is possible. Offering home delivery or selling fresh, clean produce can help build a loyal customer base. Water and cooking gas supply is also very important in estates. Many homes depend on water deliveries or refill services. Selling clean water or providing gas cylinder refills can generate steady income. Although this business may require more capital, sometimes up to 100,000 Kenya shillings, it has strong long-term potential. Customers value reliability and convenience, especially when it comes to essential services. Phone repair and accessories have also become profitable. With many people owning smartphones, there is always demand for screen replacement, battery changes, and software fixes. Someone with technical skills can start small with tools worth around 15,000 Kenya shillings. Selling phone covers, chargers, and earphones can increase earnings. Each repair job can bring in about 1,000 Kenya shillings or more. Online and digital work is also growing within estates. Some people work from home as writers, designers, or social media managers. With a smartphone or computer and internet connection, it is possible to earn money from clients around the world. This type of business requires skill and patience, but the income can be very good over time. Even though many businesses work well in estates, some need careful consideration. For example, selling alcohol can bring challenges such as security issues and strict regulations. Food businesses also require careful handling to avoid losses due to spoilage or health concerns. Daycare services require trust and proper management because they involve caring for children. To succeed in an estate business, location is very important. A shop near a main road or entrance gate will attract more customers than one hidden inside. Visibility increases chances of sales. Communication is also key. Informing customers about new products, offers, or services helps keep them engaged. Good customer service can make a big difference. Greeting customers politely, serving them quickly, and being honest builds trust. In estates, word spreads quickly. A satisfied customer will bring more people, while a bad experience can chase customers away. Keeping records is also important. Many small businesses fail because the owner does not track income and expenses. Writing down daily sales and costs helps understand whether the business is making profit or loss. This knowledge helps in making better decisions. Another important factor is consistency. Opening the business at the same time every day and keeping it stocked builds reliability. Customers like knowing they can depend on a business whenever they need something. In 2026, technology is also helping estate businesses grow. Mobile money has made payments easier. Social media and messaging apps help businesses reach customers directly. Even a small shop can advertise daily offers using simple posts. Starting a business in an estate does not require a lot of money. What matters most is understanding what people need and providing it in a simple and reliable way. Many successful entrepreneurs started with very little and grew over time. Estates in Kenya are full of opportunities. Every day, people need food, services, and convenience. By focusing on these needs, anyone can build a business that brings steady income. It may start small, but with effort, patience, and good planning, it can grow into something bigger. The future of estate businesses in Kenya looks very promising. As more people move into urban areas and estates continue to expand, the demand for local services will keep increasing. Those who start early and serve their customers well will benefit the most. In the end, success in estate businesses is about solving everyday problems. When you make life easier for people around you, they will support your business. That is the simple secret behind businesses that work in estates in Kenya in 2026.